Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix iCloud is taking up too much space on your iPhone and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about you have to tap over here in the settings. Now from here tap on your respective Apple ID. Now from here tap on iCloud. From here you have to tap on iCloud Drive. Now from here you have to tap on manage storage. Tap on app syncing to iCloud Drive. So right now you'll be having one app which is already synced to the iCloud Drive, which is causing the issue up. So if you find any apps over here in the app syncing to iCloud Drive, turn off this particular app. You have to disable it. Once afterwards, go back. Now we just need to turn off sync this iPhone, turn this off, go for turn off and delete from iPhone. You have to turn it off. Once afterwards, just close everything. Now we have to do a force restart on your iPhone. So to do a force restart, you have to press volume up followed by volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. So keep doing this. So once you see the Apple logo, what you need to do is we just need to wait because this has to get completely loaded up. Now just getting to your iPhone just like usual. First one, just go over here in the settings. Now tap on the profile icon over here on the Apple ID. Tap on the iCloud once again. Go for iCloud Drive, and we have turned this off. So turn this on. Once afterwards, go to the app syncing to iCloud Drive. So here, like I said in the video in the first, we did turn this off, turn on this. Afterwards, most probably the issue will be completely fixed, and this is what we have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.